Hello everyone, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening day 12 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you are enjoying your Advent calendars. I hope you're having fun. It is awesome. So day 12 brings us, let's take a look. Day 12 brings us a cute little die set. It's a glass of lemonade. Yay! I love the shape. I love the straw. I love the little lemon slice. So let's take a look at the dies, cut them out, and make a quick little card together. By the way, I do have video tutorials for all the other days except for day 6 of the Crafty Advent Calendar, and I hope to continue all the way to December 24. If time allows, of course. I hope to be back here every day in December sharing crafty inspiration. So I went ahead and I die cut my lemonade glass from white cardstock and pink cardstock. I used the fruit punch cardstock for the liquid, and I also ink blended the bottom part of the liquid with the Simon Says stamp peony ink. I used a jelly roll pen and I added little white dots to the liquid. I die cut the straw from yellow cardstock because, pink and yellow color combination is always a winner. And I also added one of the squigglies from the Advent calendar. This was a border die, like a squiggly border die or a loopy border die. I think this was day 5. I used that die to make a Christmas card. Here, it reminded me of those fancy straws that you see in fancy drinks in bars. So I thought I would add it to look like, a straw. I also incorporated flowers from day 3 of the Advent calendar. Here, I cut them from pink and yellow and barely peach cardstock. And I decided I needed to add a textured background for my card. I first started building my background on just blue cardstock. That was the Indigo by Spellbinders. But I later decided I needed to add some texture. So I looked through my stash of embossing folders and I came across this embossing folder from Spellbinders. This is the 3D corrugated embossing folder. Unfortunately, it's no longer available. I went to look on the website just now before filming this video to double check the name of the folder, and sadly, it is discontinued. But maybe you already have it in your stash so you can use it, or if you don't have it and want to purchase something similar, Spellbinders has loads of different 3D embossing folders on their website, so I'm sure you can find a design that is kind of similar or, just as fun. Here, I flipped the folder or the paper the opposite side up. So I'm actually using the reverse, and it gives me a very unique look. I'll show you this up close in just a minute. I use the Cosmic Sky paper from Spellbinders to emboss the background. So this is a more brighter blue, and I do like the brighter blue, especially in combination with the pink and the yellow. Here I am removing the die cuts from the blue cardstock. I had forgotten that I adhered them onto the background. I thought I had just placed the die cuts onto the background. I did not realize that I had adhered them. So here I removed them and I'm going to reposition them on this background. I have already adhered my embossed background onto an A2 top folding card base. The card base is white. I did not have a card base made from Cosmic Sky cardstock, and I was kind of pressed for time, so I did not make one. So I have a white card base, which works just as well here. And the idea for this card was to have my lemonade glass in the center of the card and then surrounded by flowers. So the flowers from day 3 worked fabulously here. I cut them from barely peach, from fruit punch, from dahlia, and wild berry cardstock. I also die cut the lemon slices or orange slices from orange and yellow cardstock, and I'm going to add those here and there to create sort of like a summer citrusy arrangement. This is a fun little die set, and you can also create a pattern, create a grid, and have multiple glasses with different color liquids inside. It's a fun one to play with. Now, for the sentiment for this card, I used one from the Cheers Sentiment Better Press plate set from Spellbinders. It's from that Cheers collection that I keep talking about, that I have made cards with, but haven't had the time to film the video for you. So that's the sentiment that I have here. It says, "Cheers, babe." Love it. To finish this card, I embellished it with the Sapphire Gems from Spellbinders. These are kind of the same color as the Cosmic Sky paper. Beautiful. I love how they added a little, pop of sparkle to the background and kind of finished my card. So that is day 12. Kind of simple, but I still enjoyed playing with this die set. I hope you guys are enjoying your advent calendars. I hope you are enjoying my videos, enjoying the inspiration. By the way, be sure to head over to the Spellbinders blog. There is a roundup post with a card idea for every day of the advent calendar, plus links to tutorials or other card ideas by many other creators. So be sure to check that out for more ideas. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'm hoping to be back tomorrow with day 13.